அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே, இந்த வீடியோவில் 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 5 கோஆர்டினேஷன் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி என்ற பாடத்தில் ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் மெட்டல் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸ், ஸ்டெப்வைஸ் ஃபார்மேஷன் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அண்ட் ஓவரால் ஃபார்மேஷன் கான்ஸ்டன்ட், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் கோஆர்டினேஷன் காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் போன்ற பகுதிகளை பார்க்க உள்ளோம். First, let us see stability of metal complexes. The stability of coordination complexes can be interpreted in two different ways. The first one is thermodynamic stability, and the second one is kinetic stability. So, two types of stability. One is thermodynamic stability, another is kinetic stability. Thermodynamic stability of coordination complexes refers to the free energy change of a complex formation reaction. During the complex formation reaction, if free energy change is high, then the compound is more stable. Okay. Kinetic stability of a coordination complex refers to the ligand substitution. In some cases, complexes can undergo rapid ligand substitution. Such complexes are called labile complexes. However, some complexes undergo ligand substitution very slowly. In some cases, substitution does not occur. Okay, such complexes are called inert complexes. Then stability constant represented by the Greek letter beta. The stability of coordination complex is a measure of its resistance to the replacement of one ligand by another. The stability of a complex refers to the degree of association between two species. Two species means the reacting species involved in an equilibrium. Let us consider the following complex formation reaction. Cu2 plus 4NH3 gives CuNH3 4 times 2 plus. For this complex, how to write beta? Beta equal to just like a Kc. Okay, beta equal to the product concentration. The product concentration divided by the reactant Cu2 plus concentration into NH3 concentration to the power 4. So as the concentration of the complex increases, the value of stability complex also increases. Okay, then therefore, the greater the value of stability constant, greater is the stability of the complex. Generally, coordination complexes are stable in their solutions. However, the complex ion can undergo dissociation to a small extent. Extent of dissociation depends on the strength of the metal ligand bond. Thus, stronger the metal ligand, lesser is the dissociation. In aqueous solutions, when complex ion dissociates, there will be equilibrium between undissociated complex ion and dissociated ions. Hence, the instability of the metal complex can be expressed in terms of dissociation equilibrium constant or instability constant alpha. For example, let us consider the dissociation of CuNH3 4 times 2 plus in aqueous solution. When CuNH3 4 times 2 plus dissociate to form Cu 2 plus 4 NH3. The dissociation equilibrium constant or instability constant is represented as. For this dissociation equilibrium, the equilibrium constant is called instability constant. Okay, so alpha equal to Cu2 plus concentration into NH3 concentration to the power 4 divided by Cu NH3 4 times 2 plus concentration. From equation 1 and 2, 1 is stability constant, 2 is instability constant. We can say that the reciprocal of dissociation equilibrium constant alpha is called as formation equilibrium constant or stability constant. So beta equal to 1 by alpha. And then significance of stability constants. The stability of coordination complex is measured in terms of its stability constant beta. Higher the value of stability constant for a complex ion, greater is the stability of the complex ion. And stability constant values of some important complexes are listed in the table. See, for the complex FeSCN 2 plus, for this complex, instability complex is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, stability constant is 1 into 10 to the power plus 3. It's a reciprocal only. Okay. Then CuNH3 4 times 2 plus, instability constant is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, and stability constant is 1 into 10 to the power plus 12. AgCN twice, instability constant is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 19, stability constant is 5.4 into 10 to the power 18. CONH3 6 times 3 plus, instability constant is 6.2 into 10 to the power minus 36, and stability constant is 1.6 into 10 to the power 35 plus 35. HgCN 4 times 2 minus, instability constant is 4 into 10 to the power minus 42, stability constant is 2.5 into 10 to the power 41. By comparing stability constant values in the above table, we can say that among the 5 complexes listed, among these 5 complexes, HgCN 4 times 2 minus is most stable complex ion, and FeSCN 2 plus is the least stable. And then stepwise formation constant and overall formation constant. Then derivation of the relationship between stepwise stability constant and overall stability constant. These things we are going to study. When a free metal ion is in aqueous medium, it is surrounded by, that means coordinated with the water molecule. It is represented as MS6. S means solvent. Okay, M is metal. If ligands which are stronger than water are added to this metal salt solution, coordinated water molecule are replaced by strong ligands. Let us consider the formation of complex Ml6 in aqueous medium. Here the metal charge is ignored. Okay. Complex formation may occur in single step or step by step. First, let us assume in single step the complex is formed. If ligand added to the metal ion in single step, then MS6 plus 6 ligand gives Ml6 plus 6 solvent. The solvent molecules are displaced by the ligand. Okay. So overall stability constant beta overall equal to the product concentration Ml6 concentration into S power concentration of S to the power 6 divided by MS6 concentration into concentration of L to the power 6. Okay. Here the solvent is generally taken in large excess, and hence we can ignore the concentration of the solvent is. Beta overall is called overall stability constant, as solvent is present in large excess, its concentration in the above equation can be ignored. So we'll get beta overall equal to ML6 concentration divided by MS6 concentration into concentration of L to the power 6. If these 6 ligands are added to the metal ion one by one, it means in stepwise, then formation of complex ML6 can be supposed to take place through 6 different steps as shown below. Generally, stepwise stability constants are represented by the symbol K. You see, first MS6 plus one ligand is added. Now what will happen? One solvent is displaced by one ligand. So we will get MS5L plus S. For this stability constant, we can write K1 equal to M concentration of MS5L divided by concentration of MS6 into concentration of L. We will get like this. Okay. So then this step we can write here MS5L plus L. So one more S is displaced now. So MS4L2 plus S. So K2 equal to concentration of MS4L2 divided by concentration of MS5L into concentration of L. Then this step we can write again. MS4L2 plus L gives MS3L3 plus S. For this stability constant K3 equal to this concentration of MS3L3 divided by concentration of MS4L2 into concentration of L. The next step you see this MS3L3 we can write here again plus L. So one more S is displaced. So we'll get MS2L4 plus S. K4 equal to MS2L4 divided by MS3L3 concentration into concentration of L. Then this step we can write again. MS2L4 plus L gives one more S is displaced by L. So we'll get MsL5 plus S. K5 equal to MsL5 divided by MS2L4 into L. MsL5 plus L gives ML6 plus S. So K6 equal to ML6 divided by MsL5 into L. In the above equilibrium, the values K1, K2, K3, K4, K5 and K6 are called stepwise stability constants. By carrying out small mathematical manipulation, we can show that overall stability constant beta is the product of all stepwise stability constant K1, K2, K3, K4, K5 and K6. So you see here this expression. If you multiply all these terms K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6, what will happen? You see the MS5L here, the numerator in this time here, this denominator we can cancel it. Then again you see MS4L2 here it is there, we can cancel. Then MS3L3 it is here, we can cancel. Then MS2L4 that is here, we can cancel. Then MsL5 it is here, cancel. Okay. Then what are the remaining terms? You see the ML6 is not cancelled. All other numerator values are cancelled. Okay. So in the numerator we can write ML6. Denominator value, see all these values are cancelled. Only this is remaining MS6 and the ligand concentration totally. Okay. So we can write here sorry, here you see this value is cancelled. Denominator okay, it is correct. MS6 is the remaining all other terms are cancelled. Okay. Then L terms, how many you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times L terms are there. So we can write L to the power 6. That is what this one. Overall stability constant equal to ML concentration, ML6 concentration divided by MS6 concentration into L power 6 concentration. Okay. So from this we will get beta overall is equal to K1 into K2 into K3 into K4 into K5 into K6. Okay. On taking logarithm, both sides will get here log beta equal to log k1 here into log of k1 into k2 into k3 into k4 into k5 into k6. Is right. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. So we can split it. So we'll get log k1 plus log k2 plus log k3 plus log k4 plus log k5 plus log k6. Then importance and applications of coordination complexes. The coordination complexes are of great importance. These compounds present in many plants, animals, and in minerals. Some important applications of coordination complexes are described below. First one, phthalo blue. A bright blue pigment is a complex of copper 2 ion, and it is used in printing ink and in the packaging industry. Then purification of nickel by Mons process involves formation of NiCO4 times nickel tetracarbonyl, which on heating it decomposes, is right. So we will get which yield 99.9% pure nickel on decomposition. Then EDTA is used as a chelating ligand for the separation of lanthanides and in softening of hard metal and also in removing lead poisoning. Okay. So what is the meaning of chelating or chelating ligands? The ligands combines with metals to form ring complexes. Ring complexes are called chelating ligands. And the complex is called metal chelates. Metal chelates. See, this is example for metal chelate. This is EDTA. Okay. Except this M, remaining part is called EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Okay. When it is mixed with or it is poured in water aqueous solution containing some metal ion, then the EDTA combines with the metal to form metal chelates, a complex. Why we can see it is a chelate, you see here. So this is metal. You see one ring is formed, metal, oxygen, carbon, carbon, nitrogen. You see one ring. Similarly here another ring, metal, nitrogen, carbon, carbon, oxygen, metal, another ring. This side another ring. Like this, if a ligand can form at least one ring with metal, then the complex is called metal chelate and the ligand is called chelating agent. Here you see so many rings are formed. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rings are formed. Okay. Coordination complexes are used in the extraction of silver and gold from their ores by forming soluble cyanocomplex. These cyanocomplexes are reduced by zinc to yield metals. This process is called as MEC or the forest cyanide process. It is employed in the extraction of silver and gold. Some metal ions are estimated more accurately by complex formation. For example, Ni2 plus ions present in nickel chloride solution is estimated accurately for forming an insoluble complex called NiDMG twice. DMG is dimethyl glyoxine. Okay. Many of the complexes are used as catalyst in organic and inorganic reactions. For example, Wilkinson catalyst PPH3 thrice RHCl. This is called Wilkinson's catalyst, is used for hydrogenation of alkenes. Then Sisler-Natta catalyst TiCl4 plus triethyl aluminum AlC2H5 thrice is used in the polymerization of ethene or ethylene. In order to get fine and uniform deposit of superior metals like coordination complexes AgCN twice minus and AuCN twice minus etc. are used in electrolytic bath. Then next point, many complexes are used as medicine for the treatment of various disease. For example, this is one of the book bag question. Point number 8 is one of the book bag question. What are the uses of coordination compounds in medicine? You see, CaEDTA chelate is used in treatment of lead and radioactive poisoning. That is for removing lead and radioactive metal ions from the body. Okay, if EDTA is injected to our body, it combines with the heavy metal or heavy metal poisoning to form metal chelates, soluble metal chelates. Okay, then it is then the soluble metal chelates, it dissolves in blood and removed through kidneys. Then cisplatin is used as an anti-tumor drug in cancer treatment. Then next point, in photography, when the developed film is washed with sodium thiosulfate solution, that is called hypo, the negative film fixed undecomposed silver bromide, that means this celluloid film or photographic film consists of silver bromide coating over it. Okay, when it is when light falls on it, the silver bromide is photosusceptible. Okay, so it decomposed to form silver. Okay, then the undecomposed silver bromide forms a soluble complex called sodium thiosulfato-argentate, sodium thiosulfato-argentate 1, which can be easily removed by washing the film with water. Okay, so we'll get it negative film. The next point, it is also one of the book bag question. Many biological systems contain metal complexes. For example, RBC, red blood corpuscles, is composed of heme group, which is Fe2 plus. Porphyrin complex, Fe2 plus porphyrin complex is RBC, hemoglobin. Okay, it plays an important role in carrying oxygen from lungs to tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Then chlorophyll, a green pigment present in green plants and algae, is a coordination complex containing Mg2 plus as central metal ion surrounded by a modified porphyrin ligand called corin ring. It plays an important role in photosynthesis, by which plants convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates and oxygen. Vitamin B12, it is called cyanocobalamin, is the only vitamin consists of metal ion. It is a coordination complex in which the central metal ion is cobalt plus, surrounded by porphyrin-like ligand. Many enzymes are known to be metal complexes. They regulate biological processes. For example, carboxypeptidase is a protease enzyme that hydrolytic enzyme important in digestion, contains a zinc ion coordinated to the protein. அன்பார்ந்த மாணவர்களே, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடித்திருந்தால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள், லைக் செய்யுங்கள், ஷேர் செய்யுங்கள். திரையில் தோன்றும் லிங்கை பயன்படுத்தி +2 கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் உள்ள வீடியோக்கள் அனைத்தையும் பார்வையிடலாம். நன்றி.